Hello everyone and welcome to Tathastu ICS. My name is Truja Garg and I am your economy faculty. In the last class, we studied about two major quantitative monetary policy tools, repo rate and reverse repo rate. Now there are more quantitative monetary policy tools known as MSF and SDF. MSF means marginal standing facility. Okay, and SDF means standing deposit facility. Okay, so we have two. Now this was recently implemented in 2022. In 2018 it was introduced via amending the RBI Act 1934. Okay, तो उसको amend करने के बाद हम जो थे 2022 में implement कर दिया गया, अभी आया है ये. We will learn about this and these two. ठीक है, ये दोनों क्या हैं? These two are, both of them are quantitative monetary policy tools. What are monetary policy tools? Which the central bank, it means the RBI uses to control the inflation in the economy. अब inflation कैसे आता है? When there is more money supply. The money supply has increased to such a level that the consumers and the business people have started to demand more, but the supply isn't increasing with the same level. So there's excess demand, which leads to increase in price and hence inflation in the economy. Now, one of the ways for which the monetary policy tools are used is that we control the credit system in the banking system. Credit system means basically banks which are providing the credit, the loans to consumers and business people. तो अगर हमने loans कम कर दिए, banks के पास liquidity कम कर देते हैं तो क्या हो जाएगा? That banks के पास कम पैसा होगा to give to consumers and business people. Now let us understand about MSF and SDF. Okay, कैसे इसको use करा जाता है, क्या होता है? सबसे पहले बात करते हैं मार्जिनल स्टैंडिंग फैसिलिटी की, दैट इज योर एमएसएफ. अब यू नो दैट नॉर्मली इफ द बैंक्स दे वांट लोन्स, तो वो क्या करेंगे? उनके पास दो ऑप्शंस है, या तो इंटरबैंक, ओके, या तो बैंक से एक दूसरे से पैसा लेंगे, ओके, या फिर वो क्या कर सकते हैं, दे कैन अवेल शॉर्ट टर्म लोन्स फ्रॉम आरबीआई एट रेपो रेट. ठीक है, अब वो भी ऑप्शन नहीं है उनके पास, वो भी वो ऑलरेडी यूज कर चुके हैं, सब कुछ खत्म हो चुका है, कोई ऑप्शन नहीं है, कोई उनके पास कुछ अब चारा नहीं बचा है. तो व्हाट विल दे डू? दे विल गो टू आरबीआई एंड से वी हैव अ वेरी big emergency, we have a very big liquidity crunch, please give us money. Okay, so RBI will say, okay, I will give you money at MSF. So in this case, RBI gives money to scheduled, only the scheduled commercial banks can avail MSF. Okay, only the scheduled commercial banks. तो इसमें RBI क्या करेगा? Will give money. Scheduled commercial banks कौन से होते हैं? Which are listed in Schedule 2 of RBI Act 1934. Okay, तो अब वो क्या करेंगे? बदले में they will have to pay MSF and also this money will be against government securities. Do you remember the four government securities I told you about? What are the four government securities? We have treasury bills, we have cash management bills, we have dated securities, and we have state development loans. I've already explained and discussed in the last class about this. तो अब ऐसे वो ले सकते हैं, and these loans are overnight loans. You can say emergency loans. Okay, in case of emergencies when interbank facilities are also not there. Okay, तो अब MSF होता कितना है ये भी हमें सोचना है. Do you remember repo rate? तो MSF होता है repo rate plus basically 0.25%, और this is also known as 25 basis point. 25 basis points का मतलब हो जाता है 0.25. 50 basis points का मतलब हो जाएगा 0.50. Okay, तो which is right now, this is repo rate is 6.50. तो अगर हमने इसको प्लस किया तो ये आ जाएगा 6.75%. ऑब्वियसली दिस इज मोर एक्सपेंसिव, ठीक है, ताकि हर कोई नहीं अवेल कर पाए, जब बहुत ज्यादा इमरजेंसी हो तभी कर पाए. तो इसमें क्या हो रहा है कि आप एक शॉर्ट टर्म ओवरनाइट लोन ले रहे हैं रेपो रेट की बजाय एमएसएफ पे, ठीक है, लेकिन एमएसएफ भी रेपो रेट से क्योंकि कनेक्टेड है तो इट विल गेट इन्फ्लुएंस्ड इफ रेपो रेट इज राइजिंग. Now, how will RBI use this to control the inflation? RBI does one thing normally. Using the MPC committee, they actually change the repo rate. Okay, repo rate ही ऊपर नीचे करते हैं and repo rate is connected to MSF and SD, Standing Deposit Facility भी also. ठीक है? अब दोनों पे ही वो करते हैं। तो अब आपको ये समझना है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल देयर इज इन्फ्लेशन इन द इकोनॉमी, इसका मतलब मनी सप्लाई बहुत ज्यादा है। तो अगर आरबीआई जो है वो क्या कर रहा है, वो रेपो रेट को बढ़ा देता है, तो एमएसएफ भी बढ़ जाएगा, एमएसएफ विल इंक्रीज। इफ एमएसएफ इंक्रीजेस देन इट बिकम्स very challenging for the banks to get the loans at this rate, because it will become very expensive for them. And what will happen, there will be less liquidity in the banking system. Even in the case of emergencies, not all banks will avail MSF at very high rate, so they will have less money to give to consumers and business people, which will indeed lead to decrease in demand, hence decrease in supply, supply is increasing with the same level, so there will be more supply, prices will start to stabilize, it means start decreasing, and inflation will be controlled using MSF. So it is like repo rate only. The only difference is only scheduled commercial banks, the eligible scheduled commercial banks can avail this short term loan from the RBI. Okay, now वो कितना कर सकते हैं, it is up to normally 2% of NDTL. NDTL means net demand and time liabilities. I told you about NDTL. Every bank has NDTL. तो उसका सिर्फ 2% जितना होगा उतना ही आप लोन ले सकते हो. Okay, and you will have to take this loan in terms of crores. ओके 1 करोड़ से स्टार्ट होता है एंड देन मल्टीपल्स ऑफ करोड़ ही आप अवेल कर सकते हो. व्हाट इज द मैक्सिमम लिमिट, 2% ऑफ एनडीटीएल. लेकिन समटाइम्स द आरबीआई रिलीजेस circulars saying that you can also avail till 3%. For example, in case during the time of COVID, उन्होंने इंक्रीज कर दिया था, 3% तक भी कर दिया था, लेकिन एक्चुअल में 2% तक रहता है. ओके, This is MSF. Then we have SDF, Standing Deposit Facility. अब इसमें क्या होता है? Do you remember reverse repo rate? Reverse repo rate में क्या होता था? If banks have extra money, they would park it at RBI, है ना? Excess funds को RBI के पास रखते थे. RBI used to give the interest, and बाद में फिर RBI अपना पे कर देता था बदले में. RBI also used to keep the गवर्नमेंट सिक्योरिटीज विद द बैंक्स. लेकिन एसडीएफ जो भी न्यू इंट्रोड्यूस हुआ है, इसमें इट इज नो कोलैटरल. इट मींस आरबीआई विल नॉट कीप एनी गवर्नमेंट सिक्योरिटी इन दिस केस. इसमें क्या होगा, बेसिकली आईसीआईसीआई बैंक हैज एक्स्ट्रा फंड्स, दे विल कीप देयर फंड्स विद आरबीआई. किसके पास रखेंगे? आरबीआई के पास फंड्स रखेंगे. आरबीआई बदले में उनको क्या देगा? एसडीएफ. दैट इज इट, इज वेरी सिंपल. ठीक है, तो अगर आपके पास एक्स्ट्रा फंड्स है बैंक के पास, और इसमें कौन से बैंक, वी टॉकिंग अबाउट ऑल द बेसिकली इंस्टीट्यूशन, फाइनेंशियल इंस्टीट्यूशंस व्हिच आर इंक्लूडेड इन एलएएफ, दैट इज लिक्विडिटी एडजस्टमेंट फैसिलिटी. सो इट इज नॉट जस्ट फॉर scheduled commercial banks, it is for all the institutions which are included in LAF, that is liquidity adjustment facility. ठीक है, तो इसमें वो सारे अवेल कर सकते हैं. तो ये जो होता है, ICICI Bank is keeping their money with RBI and RBI gives them SDF rate. Okay, this is the rate that they are getting. What is this? Repo rate minus 0.25%. It means 25 बेसिस पॉइंट को माइनस कर देते हैं. एमएसएफ में प्लस कर देते हैं, इसमें माइनस कर देते हैं. राइट नाउ इट इज 6.25%. हाउ? 6.50% minus 0.25%, which is equal to 6.25%. Okay, so this is the SDF, zero collateral. This has replaced as a floor, replaced as a LAF corridor, floor of रिवर्स रेपो रेट. वी हैड फिक्स्ड रिवर्स रेपो रेट जो कि 3.35% है अभी, इसको अब एसडीएफ ने रिप्लेस कर दिया है एज व्हाट? एज द कॉरिडोर फ्लोर. तो क्या होता है, एक स्ट्रीमलाइन करने के लिए वी हैव एमएसएफ, एक रेंज बनाते हैं एलएएफ कॉरिडोर की. ठीक है, वी हैव रेपो रेट एंड वी हैव नाउ एसडीएफ. अर्लियर इट वाज आरआरआर हियर. तो एमएसएफ हमारा 6.75% है, रेपो रेट राइट नाउ 6.50% एंड एसडीएफ इज अराउंड 6.25%. ठीक है, तो अब एक स्ट्रीमलाइन हो चुका है. देयर इज नॉट मच गैप बिटवीन दिस एंड दिस होल थिंग इज नोन एज लिक्विडिटी एडजस्टमेंट फैसिलिटी कॉरिडोर. ठीक है, कॉरिडोर बोलते हैं, यानी कि रेंज बोलते हैं कि इसके अराउंड सब कुछ है हमारा. ठीक है, तो अब हमने वो रिप्लेस कर दिया है, आरआरआर रिप्लेस कर दिया है एसडीएफ से. लेकिन क्या अब आरआरआर का यूज नहीं है, रिवर्स रेपो रेट का यूज नहीं है? नो, RBI still uses it. It is at RBI's discretion, but it has kind of, SDF has kind of replaced RRR, क्योंकि अब आपको ज्यादा वहां पर मिलेगा compared to RRR. ठीक है, so that is something that you have learned. We've learned about MSF and we have learned about SDF. अब SDF को कैसे use करेंगे RBI in terms of inflation? If there is inflation in the economy, it means we have to decrease the money supply from the banking system. तो वो कैसे करेंगे हम? अगर SDF को बढ़ा देते हैं, और SDF कैसे बढ़ेगा? SDF will increase when repo rate increases. Then what will happen? The banks will feel that keeping money with RBI will be more beneficial than compared to giving money to consumers and business people, right? So they will park more and more funds with RBI. They will have less money to give to consumers and business people. That is how what will happen. Consumers and business people will not demand that money then, because it will be more expensive for them. So they will start demanding less and less. Money supply will start to decrease. Demand will decrease. Demand decreases. Supply is still increasing with the same level. Then prices will start to decrease, and hence inflation will be controlled. Now both of them are linked with repo rate. Now normally these are overnight. Okay, SDF is also overnight and it is without collateral. Always remember the difference between RRR and SDF is also that RRR mein RBI used to keep the collateral with the bank, but here there is no collateral. Okay, another thing is, one of the differences, another thing is that दोनों जो हैं वो overnight के लिए ही है. MSF is also for overnight facilities, SDF is also for overnight facilities, but both of them, one thing, work 7 days a week on all holidays, so bank can avail the loans on all the days, any holiday, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. Okay, कभी भी ले सकते हैं. दूसरी चीज ये है that MSF and SDF can be for more than 1 day as well, depends upon the RBI. Okay, I hope you have now a good knowledge of MSF and SDF. So if any question comes, you know the answer. Let us revise. MSF is marginal standing facility, in which what happens is, if you want overnight loans in case of emergency, then scheduled commercial banks can avail it, and up to 2% of NDTL, that is net demand and time liabilities. It is 25 basis point more than repo rate. Okay, and you have to keep the government securities to avail it. Okay, then we have SDF, that is standing deposit facility. In this, if you have extra funds, you can deposit it to RBI on the interest, which is less than 25 basis point less than repo rate. No collateral is needed. RBI will give you nothing. So it is easier for the RBI to also give you interest rate, and to for the banks to also avail this basically tool. Okay, to get the interested and earn the interest rate. I hope this is clear. In the next class, we will learn the 2 other monetary policy tools. Thank you so much.